Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Yesterday, the Nasdaq pulled back quite a bit. Tesla down 10%. Whoever was with me when we bought it at the beginning of the year, if you saw about 3 weeks ago, I sold 50% of my Tesla to buy back lower. That was a good call. Tesla went from 300 something down to 210. My target is came close to 220. My target is 213 to buy and 176 to buy more Tesla. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is the morning. The stock market is closed. In 12 hours, I will do the Nasdaq and Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and let me know in the comment section. Did you sell Tesla with me, 50% of the holdings, before this big drops to buy back low? Let me know in the comments. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. I'm getting attacked by a dog. Sit. Let's jump into the technicals for my beautiful shirt for Bitcoin now. My white shirt. Okay, so Tesla down 9.3% yesterday. Huge sell-off, massive drop. TSM up 3.6%. The rest of the tech stocks not down, which is interesting. Match up 1.9%. MCRT slightly up. Intel slightly up. The rest of the market down. Bitcoin 28,600. Huge pump off Bitcoin on the weekly. Stochastic is turning up on the weekly very strongly. And you can see this is the long-term play that I've been playing on Bitcoin, which has been playing up beautifully. This is from the beginning of the year, 2023. Each of these candles represent 1 week. And you can see Bitcoin has been moving up in this Elliott wave counts, corrective waves, new Elliott impulse waves. And then the bigger overall pattern, as I teach you in the crypto and the stock guru master course, number 2 in the description, is this big rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. But short-term, stochastic is heading up. Volume is coming in on the daily. Stochastic is heading up. Volume coming in. And it looks like W formation. Looks like we are getting a slight W formation. Target would be 33,845. Let's go in. 4 hourly, we're overbought. We had that big spike up, but it still looks like a bull flag here. And you can see this spike cleared all the shorts out. It cleared all the sales. So we have this pole and then we have this flag. It looks like a bull flag that can be heading up. Technically, the bull flag is already breaking up, but still bull flag in my opinion. The trade from yesterday, I would still take the same trade setup. It didn't activate over on OKX. I would take the same trade setup out of this bull flag on these supports. This one is the more risky trade. 26 risk to reward ratio, opening at 28,204, stop loss 27,992, and take profit at 33,844. Risk to reward 26 times, risking $211 to make $5,587 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $55,000 profits, 100x leverage, $550,000 profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin in the riskier time on this bull flag. For a safer trade, I would take it from this 1 year orange trend line. This 1 year orange trend line. I would take that trade on that 1 year orange trend line, and target would be, that's for the safe one, 26,034 it opens, 25,569 stop loss, and take profit at 33,791. Risk towards 17 times, risking $465 to make $8,000, risking $465 to make $8,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $80,000, 100x leverage, $800,000. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. I'll share these inside the Telegram. I'm currently long on OKX. I set my trade, but it did not yet activate. It's the same trade setup that I just showed you now. That trade is now set over on OKX, and OKX has a bonus right now, a special giveaway till the end of October. You can get up to exclusive event until the 31st of October, unlock up to $60,000 in rewards when you sign up using this link down below under the description. This link, explore OKX and win. It's $70,000 in prizes. I don't know where that $60,000 or $70,000 in prizes. And Bybit has that $30,000 bonus when you trade on Bybit. And join us in the master course number 2. You can learn how to set up the charts, bots, etc. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade went from negative $2,000 to now negative $822. It's a 2.7 Bitcoin trade, $80,000 trade. In this account, I have $317,000 bouncing back, up around $98 yesterday. Got 84,000 USDT, $60,000 in Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, Uniswap $30,000, slightly up yesterday. Doge $28,000, slightly up. MCRT slightly down, $23,000. FXS 2% down. That's what I'm holding in this portfolio. Now let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum has been very easy from this orange line. I'm still targeting this orange trend line. That overrated, you can see Ethereum is also on this orange trend line. Could do a Elliott wave count on Ethereum from here also, but you can see this orange trend line is where I'm targeting, this 1 year trend line. And the target will be the top of the channel, this one, opening at 1507, stop loss 1472, take profit 2264, risk reward 21 times, risking $34 to make $756 per Ethereum, 10x leverage $7,500, 100x leverage $75,000. Those are the two trades I would take on the three trades I would take on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and OKX. There was also some news today. So the three main Binance says it has onboarded new Euro Fiat partnership for deposits and withdrawals. So they're going to start PaySafe, the crypto exchange form of service provider for Euro transfers, ended support last month, but now they've got a new Fiat partner for with Euro, which is good news. XRP price prediction as SEC dismisses lawsuit versus Ripple Labs. I will talk about that in the next video. I'm going to do TA on XRP based off this. The SEC dismisses the lawsuit on XRP. So I'll do the TA on that in the next video. Top crypto firms named in $1 billion fraud lawsuit. The Tyler and Cameron Wikilovis, the guys who kind of founded Facebook and had that big fight with Mark Zuckerberg on the founding of Facebook, they founded Gemini, and Gemini is in hot water right now. US prosecutors have accused three high-profile cryptocurrency firms for defrauding investors more than $1 billion. And Gemini is one of those lenders. So the SEC is still going after American companies. I highly recommend, if you're in the US, go on bard.google.io or OpenAI and say, how do I contact my US senators to allow them to allow crypto into the country? Because what I think is happening right now, I think there's an international attack on the USA. Now, this sounds like a conspiracy theory, but you got to think of it like this: that crypto is like the internet, like a technological evolution like the internet. And the whole world is adopting cryptocurrency except the USA. The USA, for some reason, the Senate has been pushing cryptocurrency out of the country. Now ask yourselves, why would the USA push something like the internet from developing in the country? I believe it's some kind of Russian, Chinese. The whole world is starting to use crypto except the USA. I think somehow they've manipulated the USA into blocking a major new technology from entering their country. I think it's an attack on the USA, which is just a conspiracy theory, but one of my theories. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, share this video with 3 of your friends. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.